I bet you're wondering why I've called this meeting. I'm Mr. Mixer, expert on all things KitchenAid mixer. My goal with this channel is to teach you how to maintain and repair every issue that you may face with your KitchenAid mixer. All the way from the K5SS to the professional 600, the 7 quarts, 8 quarts, I can do them all. I'm even going to do a little bit of vintage work for you guys. First off, huge thank you for all of you who have subscribed so far. If you would like, we are doing a paid subscription. It is $1.50 a month, and what we're going to do with that is we're going to give away a brand new machine every single month. As the subscription base grows, we're going to give away more machines proportionate to that number of subscriptions. We'll also be giving away attachments, toolkits, parts, grease, everything you may need. And to sweeten the deal, you'll be able to see the good deeds that we do with the money that we get from the subscription base. We're going to be doing all kinds of charitable things around our community, and hopefully if the subscription base grows enough, we'll be coming to communities near you. Here's a look at some of the things that we are doing to help improve your maintenance process. We're working on getting the right size boxes in so we can make sure to be able to ship all of your mixer needs. And while my wife currently hates me for taking up so much real estate, we are ordering in all of the tools you need to take care of the job. That way there's no guessing and no having to run to the store to look for tools. We're working to build our new inventory. That way we have plenty of machines to give away. We're reorganizing to set up some floor space. That way we have plenty of room to make sure that we have all of the parts and grease necessary to get to you in a timely manner. To do this, I had to remove my boat from the garage. Fortunately for the boat, I never get to take it out anyways because I don't have enough time or money to do so. So, if you're thinking about buying the boat, don't buy the boat. You never have the time you wish you had to use it. We're working on getting some new shop tables to line this wall so we can get all of the products and all of the content out to you in a timely manner. We're working on getting better lighting. As you can tell, our lighting is subpar at the best. We are spending several $1,000s that we actually don't have in order to get this channel up and going for you. So donations are greatly appreciated as it'll help this channel run way smoother, help us get out the content way faster, and we're going to save you tons of money in the process. Make sure you stay tuned because we're going to be releasing this full-length repair content in the very near future. I'm going to guess it's going to be a couple of weeks, but it is going to come fast, hard, and it's going to be so in-depth that there will be no way that you won't be able to repair your own machine. I hope you're getting excited. We're also establishing a website so you'll have direct access to all the things you need.
Why, yes, I'm glad you noticed. My shirt did change colors. That's because I forgot to film the outro, and so now this is a completely different day. Anyways, moral of the story, we got all this great content coming out for you guys. It'll be out very, very soon. I hope you're getting excited. We want to wait just a little bit because we want to make sure we have everything in place to make this as easy as possible for everyone. We don't want any questions. We don't want you to have to thumb through schematics and look things up. It's just, there's not a lot of great information out there, and if you don't know what you're looking for, it makes it very, very hard. So we are going to streamline this and make it so incredibly easy for you to do. So I hope you're getting excited. I know I sure am, and I really look forward to interacting with all of you. So yeah, stay tuned. P.S. If you'd like to make a donation or become part of our subscription, I'll put the links below. Until next time.